Hello everyone. I am Preetam Sir, and in today's lecture, we will learn about computer network topology and how different topologies work in a network system. Understanding topology is crucial because it determines how efficiently data flows in a network, how reliable the connections are, and what happens when there's a failure. Memo definition. Network topology refers to the physical or logical arrangement of devices, nodes, and connections, links, in a network. Small blue diamond types of network topologies, minutes 3 to 10. Push pin 1. Bus topology. Single backbone cable where all devices are connected. Green circle pros, simple, cost-effective, requires less cable. Red circle cons, if the backbone fails, the entire network crashes. Push pin 2. Star topology. All devices connect to a central hub or switch. Green circle pros, easy to troubleshoot, fast data transmission. Red circle cons, hub failure affects the entire network. Push pin 3. Ring topology. Devices form a closed loop, data travels in one or both directions. Green circle pros, predictable data flow, no collision issues. Red circle cons, a single device failure can disrupt the network. Push pin 4. Mesh topology. Every device connects to every other device. Green circle pros, high reliability and fault tolerance. Red circle cons, expensive and difficult to set up. Push pin 5. Hybrid topology. Combination of two or more topologies, e.g., star plus bus. Green circle pros, scalable and flexible. Red circle cons, complex and costly to maintain. Small blue diamond how network topologies work, minutes 10 to 17. Keycap 1 data transmission. In bus, data moves along the backbone, and devices check if it's for them. In star, the central switch directs data to the correct device. In ring, data passes through each node sequentially. In mesh, multiple paths ensure redundancy. Keycap 2 failure handling. Bus if the backbone breaks, all communication stops. Star if the hub fails, the network stops, otherwise, only one device is affected. Ring if one node fails, the network may break, unless dual ring is used. Mesh if one path fails, data takes another route. Keycap 3 best use cases. Bus, small offices or home networks. Star, most common in LAN, local area networks. Ring, used in telecommunication networks. Mesh, ideal for military or emergency communication. Direct hit conclusion and recap, minutes 17 to 19. Key takeaways. White heavy checkmark network topology defines how devices connect and communicate. White heavy checkmark each topology has advantages and disadvantages based on cost, efficiency, and failure handling. White heavy checkmark choosing the right topology depends on network size, purpose, and reliability needs. Light bulb in real-world applications, we often use hybrid topologies for better efficiency and scalability. Waving hand, that's all for today's lecture. I hope you now have a clear understanding of computer network topology and how it works. See you in the next class, movie camera.